morning, dear students. Welcome once again to the biology class. So let's begin with the class. So as you all know, children, in your biology we are dealing with your chapter number 13, that is why do we fall ill. And in today's class we'll be talking about organ and tissue specific manifestations. So let's begin with it. Organ specific and tissue specific manifestations. Disease causing microbes enter the body by different means and goes to different organs and tissues. So here children, try to understand where do the disease causing germs live in our body. There are number of tissues and organs in our body where these microbes can get attached to. Generally, the point of entry decides where they will go. For instance, any microbe that enters through the nose is likely to settle at the lungs. This can also be seen through the signs and symptoms of a disease, as only those organs and tissues are going to be affected where these microbes enter. But there are some other common diseases also that are not tissue specific. So now children, try to understand the term inflammation. Our body has an immune system in which it creates the cells that can fight against the disease causing germs. This process of recruiting cells to kill the infectious agents present in our body is called inflammation. The inflammation process shows different effects on our body, such as fever or swelling. Hence, we can say that the likelihood we are going to be affected by the disease is determined by the immune system of our body. How strong is it? It is also important to remember, children, that the severity of disease manifestations depend on the number of microbes in the body. If the number of microbes is very small, the disease manifestations may be minor or unnoticed. But if the number of the same microbe is very large, then the disease can be severe enough to be life-threatening. The immune system is a major factor that determines the number of microbes surviving in the body. Thank you, Shemstars. That's all for today. You can drop your queries if you have any on the Google Classroom. Take care. God bless you all.